In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the campaign URL on Mailchimp. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just looking to refine your campaign process, this step-by-step guide will help you customize your campaign URL quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. To get started, log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your control center for all things Mailchimp, and from here you can access everything you need to create and manage your campaigns. Now, navigate to the campaign section. You'll find this option in the main menu, typically located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Once you're in the campaign section, click on All Campaigns. This will bring up a list of your past campaigns, as well as any drafts you're currently working on. To create a new campaign, locate the Create button. It's usually highlighted, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you'll be presented with different types of campaigns you can create. For this tutorial, we're focusing on email campaigns, so click on the email option to proceed. Next, you'll need to select a template. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates, so take a moment to choose one that aligns with your campaign goals. Whether it's a product showcase, a newsletter, or a simple announcement, there's a template for you. Once you've made your selection, you'll move on to the customization stage. Now, it's time to bring your campaign to life. Use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor to customize the email content. This is where you can add your text, images, and links to make your email stand out. Remember to keep your branding consistent and your messaging clear. Take your time here, and once you're happy with the design, click Save and Exit to move on. With the design complete, you'll be brought to the campaign summary page. This is where you can review all the details of your campaign before sending it out. Scroll down until you find the Share Your Email section here. You'll see an option to edit the email link. Click on Edit next to it to begin customizing your campaign URL. In this section, you'll see a specific option to edit the campaign URL. Click on Edit again, and you'll be able to modify the final portion of the link. This is your opportunity to create a URL that's memorable and relevant to your audience. Enter your preferred text for the URL, keeping it short and easy to understand. Once you're satisfied, click Save to confirm your changes. Finally, it's time to send out your campaign. Double-check all the details, including the design, recipients, and your newly customized URL. When everything looks good, click Send to distribute your campaign to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully changed the campaign URL on Mailchimp and are ready to share your message with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.